I'm Elaina Love, and today I'm here to show you the art of skin brushing. Now, a skin brush has been used for a long time by a lot of people for creating vibrant, healthy skin. It's not only great for cleaning your skin and getting all the old dead layers off and helping your skin breathe better, which, as we know, the skin can be called the second set of lungs because our skin breathes. So by skin brushing daily, what you're doing is not only cleaning your skin, but you're stimulating your lymph. It's a perfect way to stimulate all the lymph in your body and get things moving and get energy flowing. It's almost like a cup of coffee. Once you've done it, you're going to see how amazing you feel. At first, you might start to detox so your skin could actually break out. But then once you get through the first week or so, you're going to notice this glowing, vibrant skin. There's a lot of reasons to do this. Acupuncture, just all the organs are going to get hit, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to do it. So I buy the Yerba Prima skin brush, and this is, I think we have this on purejoyplanet.com, but you can also buy it online anywhere. What I like to do is put some kind of essential oil on the brush before I start. This is a doTERRA frankincense oil. Frankincense is known to be good for the skin, for your complexion, but you could use any like lavender oil or anything that invigorates you, peppermint oil. And then what you want to do is you want to start with your fingers. And it's going to be 7 times back and forth on each finger. So you can do this with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the top half, 7 times. You just scrub the top of each finger. It takes longer the first time, but then once you get good at it, it gets faster. Now the web, 14 times. Both sides. And you can just do a quick counting to 14. And then up the arm 7 times. Now this is going to could be painful at first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I usually go 3 times to the 3 spots. Get that elbow really good. Go in a circle. Once you're doing it for a while, though, you can press harder. At first you want to press lightly, and then the longer you do it, the harder you can push. Make sure you get all the way up onto that shoulder with your 7. And then the other side, 7, 7, 7, 7. It's like you're sanding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It doesn't have to be slow or methodical. You just get in there and get it like you're buffing your nails. And then the palm. I didn't do that on the other side. The palm of the hand, then the back of the hand, right? Circles you can do 14 times on the web. And the other side 14 times. Then up the arm, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Elbow in a circle, get all that dead skin off the elbow. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is a great way to just get, if you've gotten a sunburn, get all that dead skin off. The next thing we're going to do, and I do have pants on, but you normally want to have nothing on. I'm going to move back a little bit so you can see, and that's why I have this camera at such a weird angle so you can see my entire body. So this is a great way to balance if you're a yogini. You could also sit and do this. So 7 times on the bottom of the foot, then 7 times across the tip of the toes like you're shining a shoe. Put your foot on the counter. Top of the foot, around the ankle, 7 times in each spot. Now sometimes you'll notice there's a little dirt in those spots there, and you can just really get that scrub, little old skin. And then up the leg. Again, you don't really want to have pants on. I just happen to have pants on today. But you're still getting a stimulation even with the pants on. You're still getting that vibrant energy flowing through. You're still moving your lymph. Back of the leg. Now I tend to do the back of the thigh a little more. That's where cellulite builds up. Skin brushing also helps get rid of cellulite. I don't have cellulite, and I've been skin brushing for 20 years. I also eat a grain-free, low-carb diet, which helps too. 5, 6, 7. And then other side. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Could be a little tickly down there on the bottom of the foot. My screen is going off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just scrub around the foot, you know, get around those ankles. Scrub back and forth. Then up the leg, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's about 4 on the ankle or on the calf. Then the thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go for 14 on the back of that thigh. Then the front of the thigh. And the inner thigh. You can go more there if you want as well. Now this part's kind of fun. We're going to go the back of the neck. So I'll just kind of show you. I think you can see. Just put this, cradle it right in the back of the neck. And then just rub back and forth 14 times. Oh, it feels so good. And then up and down 14 times. And then you're going to go from the back of the neck down around to the chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the back of the neck around your shoulder into the chest. Around the shoulder into the chest. Around the shoulder to the chest. 7 times. Very gently here. You can see my skin starting to turn a little bit red. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This spot right here holds lymph. These are some really great spots to move it down into your chest area. Armpits, great place for lymph to build up and for toxins to get released. Circle 7 times inward. I'm not actually moving the brush. I'm just holding it and rotating my hand 7 times each way in the armpits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Groin, same thing right here, right where those lymph nodes are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope you guys are doing this along with me. Now up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now that's a real tender spot. 8. We're going to do 14. If you can stand it. Maybe the first time do less than 14 because it can get painful. You'll notice I'm kind of holding my breasts out of the way. If you're naked, you're going to want to hold them up out of the way. And then let's do the front. This is your whole belly area. So 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Solar plexus right here. Stick it in there, upright, and rotate 7 times to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then up, right in the middle of the stomach. Just go across about 7 times. Get it? You'll know because your skin's going to turn bright red. You can get the breast area as well, but just do it a little more gently. Get that skin kind of massaged. You can do it with the bra on if you want. And then up and down the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the upper back. Now, you might want to put the stick in at this point, but what I do is just kind of use my hand and go up and down right in the middle of the back. Right? That's a spot you don't get very often. So 7 times. Then you're going to want to hug yourself like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last spot is the butt. Just buttocks. I do 14. Good measure, right? Get all that cellulite, anything. Because you don't really, that skin there doesn't get a lot of stimulation. It doesn't get a lot of, sun action or things like that. And on that note, get your naked body out in the sun. Do your cold plunges and get naked if you can. Get a little sun this summer, this spring and summer. Okay, so then the last thing after you've done your whole body is your thymus, which is right here, and that's stimulated. That's tied to your immunity. So you want to make a fist, flat part, and make a heartbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 21. I like 21. So there you go. Skin brushing for the newbies. I hope you guys enjoy this. Do it every day if you can. When you're new to it, try it maybe every other day, but keep it in your bathroom where you can see it. And if you're wondering what I do for the face, I do a Clairsonic, and I use just a real light, gentle, which you'll get in one of our lessons, the different lotions and scrubs we use, but I use a light exfoliant, and I put it on and I scrub my skin with the Clairsonic. So happy skin brushing, everybody.